Dad, this move at this.
Yes! Take the big side!
Yeah.
Yeah. So them big leaf there, what kind of leaf them there? Pimento leaf in it?
Yeah.
And the next one there. On time?
French time.
French time.
Yeah.
Ah.
Say good dumb! So no here with the number! I mean announce number now. You know tell me I mean announce now. I mean I speaker. Alright.
Come on.
I know, let's see.
Yeah, no. 157! 157! 157! 157! You have to say bingo! Anytime you call your number, if you don't say bingo, no come up here. We don't play bingo. We are play collect your prize. You want to spell all of that? Say bingo.
She's my baby and she lives next door. Don't be no only with the song goes on. She give me my favorite cup. Oh no.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. You don't know, yours truly 876 by Bert. You see me? I'm there up on the ground in Portland, you know. You see what I say? Yeah man, today we're there for the big bad cookout. You see it? Yeah man, so we're gonna go on here now today. Actually I have a cookout plus a treat back to school. Yeah, back to school treat for the kids, you see it? And I say you're there in Portland. Yeah, one place named Pantan. This out there right now, you see what I say? Yeah man. So big up everybody over there. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Yeah man, click share on the video, send it out, you see me? Yeah man, to the world, you see it? So right now, chef them over there, so just start to do them thing. We go over there at the fireside, go see what go on, and you don't know. As the day progresses, I go show you what go on. Make sure you stay tuned because I want you to mad in people. Right now, nothing started early morning. You see me, the pot them just touch on the fire and them little thing. They nothing really started as I say, but later, whole place I go cark people, I go black. You see me? Yeah man, I just go catch my car in a little corner right there, so you don't know a little more. Place I go black people. And I go see it man. You see a wood man, so follow me now. We are going in the kitchen go see what go on. You see it? Yeah man. I'm a thing. Whole heap of things on the menu. Goat, pork, conch soup. Whole heap of sitting. As I say, as the day progresses, we're going to see what I go on in people. So make sure you stay tuned. You know. Go and lock and load in. You see me I say? Yeah.
We in a Portland, Jamaica. Up in the hills among Pleasant. Hear me no punchline. When a Portland, Jamaica. When a Portland.
We're going to put them boss. Yeah.
Red soup, huh?
Yeah. Oh, so coconut are going at this?
Yeah, coconut juice and things are going on.
Oh God. Well rich.
Oh.
Yeah. I want to name get a youth, you know, so. Man, you don't want no youth, no drink, none of that soup here, you know. I get lit soup. Yeah. Let them go for 2025.
That drink can't be nobody, they can't run up on it. Most breed.
Yeah.
Most breed soup this year.
Yeah.
When a Portland, we in a Portland, Jamaica. Up in the hills among Pleasant. Hear me no punchline. When a Portland, Jamaica. When a Portland, when a Portland. Back to school treat for the kids, lots of bags and book. Pat the bubble pan the fire, the bad chef them a cook. Oven and the crew, always appear them do. No have to say party cause the whole place no say a true. We in a Portland, we in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, oh, in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, oh, in a Portland, Jamaica.
Yeah, and I think it's going to stay up this time?
Yeah, man. Should have.
Ah.
Let me give you a look at anchor up there with it.
Yeah.
Touch! Touch them, where you going now? Yeah. Watch out now. This got end there. Dingy. Forward there, look now. Alright. Just go. What type of roll? Carry this over it. The chapalin over it before me lift it.
And draw over more. Yeah. Wait for the come over. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, like it each pan the nail, so hold on. Oh. Aye. Dry thought.
You can't go higher, man. One car, you have some more. Give me that one.
Oh. People who this. What happened? Where you want? Where you want? Tell me where you want. Tell me and tell me where you want. Want me to? You want sleep? Yeah, we put it in there. How do it? It's there in the room. Eh? Oh, gosh. It's in the room, man. Say I make you breakfast? Green. Ah, look at tea I drink. Where are them boss? Bless up my general, cooler man. Ah. One chapali. I'm asking for what so it come from to it big. What's it so it big man? Yeah, but I can cover ship. Chapali are big.
After there, don't.
Yeah man. And here before and here before and here before.
You don't take a picture of them on the rest of the road.
Yeah man, you manage them man.
That's why I can't forget.
That me I tell you, you take it, you something like them man. Hold it for breadfruit in a fire one time man. Yeah man. Yeah man, for real man. Yeah.
Yeah, me just have
Just look at bag and then put it like and put it on the foot. Hush. No, that time I go do near your saying so. When someone I go. Watch, car. Yeah. Yeah man, people, so over here so I gotta have bunks about to set up over there so I'm gonna show you now how I go on. Yeah man, so over here so bunks about and thing, you see me? Yeah man, look from this. Bunks about. So one pear tree in people, for all who don't know pear, avocado. Yeah. I can show you 2 avocado upon it. It's avocado there. Look a small one here. The next one there. Whole heap there on it people. Load it. Whole heap there on it. Load it. Country life, you know. Zimmy, see there? Avocado for days, people. Avocado for days. See it? And this. Okay, this is orange tree, this. And don't cost me if I get it wrong. Remember I told me come from. But look like orange man. You see me? Yeah man. Orange tree this to people. You see it? One next one there right there too. Yeah man. You see chopper in there now people. Up and running. Tie it up. You know Portland this. You know the weather bipolar. Yeah man. You know they don't forget rain up at them place people. That's it. So yeah. So checking back people. So checking back. Yeah.
Yeah, cause them picked from yesterday. So they're not hard for work, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna put up heat or ordinary fire like, you know?
Yeah. People breadfruit I got drop in this, you know. Yeah man. Breadfruit them I showed earlier. Bring it there and set up the fire for drop it tonight, you see it? Yeah. Yeah.
Ordinary fire and then go, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I will have to motion and picture on your phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So them good at turn then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's how we them from yesterday.
Yeah, for real.
Remember your family taking you know.
Yeah, man, I really pray.
Yeah, man, nothing I'm a real family now.
Yeah.
I'm a family by my daddy's side and my mother's side.
Oh,
So my
true.
daddy that's a man of him.
Yeah.
My mother can't say man of him.
Yeah.
So I had my band.
Yeah.
And I have to stop
It's like you can hospital in a mix
yeah,
up.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cookout and stuff, I'm mad like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh, loaded.
Yeah, man. You have plenty, you know? Man, that's how we do it one of them time of year. Them time of year, huh?
Yeah.
So we do it down here, so. Yeah, man. So we segment it same time of year.
Man. Whole heap of breadfruit in a fire, people. So everything I go in there.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yeah, man. Baby, notice what I'm doing?
yeah.
Put the green on them.
Oh.
First.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For real.
Yeah. So them about by the time then the burn and go down.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Eat alone roast them, you know?
Oh. So yeah, so. How much weight for this? About 2 dozen?
Yeah. About 40.
About 40?
Let me go on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 30.
Oh,
30, 36.
about 3 dozen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not far from 40. Okay, man. Yeah, the boss, you know, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You saw in the deal like how you did it,
Yeah.
Yeah, man. None of them can burn up.
Yeah.
None of them can burn up. Can you put the green on them down to face the fire?
Right.
Just by the time you turn,
Yeah.
them already get them heat already.
Yeah.
Because them when I see them when I almost turn.
Yeah, yeah, me see it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. We are sharp green, man.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ah, you so quick that you get mad now?
See, there's a man.
Alright.
Yeah.
By next door, them I wrote to them. I just leave now, I go deal with them now. No.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tell them let them go where you
See it? Green curry, you know. Yeah, look.
That nasty man.
They're colorful.
But well rich.
Yeah, man. Sing up, you know?
Yeah.
Sing up.
Alright,
You see that? Yeah. Hold on, big.
Alright, so where are this next?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
It's a the pork that.
Two points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pork, see how ya? It's a curry pork, whatever so.
What's this?
Curry pork that.
Who chef over there? No, it's a year whatever you see that. Who chef over there?
Yeah, man, now you're running, man.
Who not beat it? Alright. Mad thing, you know, man.
You're mad, man. Sing up.
Yeah.
I'm a good chef there, you know.
Yeah, man. A mad thing, man.
Yeah, man. Mad chef there. Yeah, come here. Yeah, go look one more.
Yeah, man, people, so man, American man, just clean up at the same time. You see me? Yeah. No dirty settings, clean settings. That's why man, America, you see it? Mad thing, man. You see, say Bingy having fire over here, so blaze real way. See it, eh? Yeah, man. Eat a catch your man up on top and out if you real, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, go away for you.
Yeah, man, I see it, man. Yeah.
We get them and buy one the next 2 hours.
Yeah, and everything good.
And everything good, yeah. I noticed when I'm at the firework extra big.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just feel like when something on grill, take your time to
And he eat out, soak in it there.
Yeah. That's what make sure put them from yesterday. I don't know, breadfruit they will check them through.
Yeah.
That's the green one then? Yeah. You put them down to face the fire. If you want to almost arrive.
Yeah, man.
You make them stay up.
Yeah.
Because you know the next one I'm going to take more fire.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so by give them couple turns. By next 2 hours, them are good enough.
The 2 hours?
By next 2 hours, them are good.
I think that before that.
No, more on them soak proper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we have to find line chef, man.
Yeah, man, I say, man, the rest of man has big fire and just throw them in.
Yeah, man.
Think last year, have a bigger fire than this.
Yeah.
Go on, yeah.
Yeah.
I say, fire
more?
is bigger.
More breadfruit they have? No.
No more.
You will know. You could have paid more, man, but you will know. You see the one them last year. Yeah. The time did more rain, the more I know.
Yeah.
You understand? So the time feeds him now, and them here more full on them one day. Yeah. So when it's full of the breadfruit, no, the full of the breadfruit is less eat good. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, man. Are you not supposed to have last year with them, man?
Yeah, man, I'm telling you mad thing, man.
That's the man.
Oh.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Always the one, man.
Yeah.
People like that, all of them are together.
Oh, you mean, man? I say, Queen, tell them,
Better nothing on it.
yeah. Queen, man, them are gone, man. What you say, man?
Kind of need to have them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I like for the fire to the right go by.
Everywhere fire there, everywhere.
Everywhere, man.
Yeah.
Everywhere, man.
Yeah.
Everywhere, man. That's why I should have done some
Yeah, because I look for one dog under this, so.
Yeah, they might move. They might move. Yeah, it's a third position, they might show there.
Yeah.
Me just go for my turn now.
Yeah.
Come deal with them.
Yeah. Listen, secret sauce I get together.
It's already there.
The secret sauce I already make and put up.
This is the ice cream.
Fuck side.
Just a little ice cream.
Yeah. Okay, so them there is and turn it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. For real. Yeah, man, I make them get them fully road.
Yeah. You look at them?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Bro.
You
Yeah,
know,
see
you
it,
know,
man.
you know,
Yeah, see it, man. Yeah.
I see, you see the one I'm gonna put first? One day get as much burn.
Oh, yeah.
Them one the skin, green alike. Yeah. You know, them are gonna take more fire.
Yeah.
I like this style of fire too.
Yeah, man.
Style of fire balance, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I'm going to next door, man.
Yeah.
My good lad.
Yeah. Chill, man.
I don't know if you're famous for YouTube, yeah.
Yeah, man. All over, man.
Yeah, man. Bingy have to do them, man.
All over, man.
Oh, yeah, say, man.
Yeah, man.
Come and see the man come do it.
Eh? Me have one channel where me cut some boat, you know.
Yeah.
We are load up upside, man. Me cut 2 before, you know.
Yeah.
We have 25 feet long, man. Yeah.
Clean. 25 feet long.
25 feet long. I'm gonna use card line. We just fall the tree and just put 2 skid underneath and just start rip up me 2 before. Like a hardware. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I cut them like a hardware.
Alright, you see the first me send out the video?
Yeah.
You get 60 comment the day. And you see after that?
Yeah.
I change it hard.
So, hold on. Where you run it, pan? Table saw run it? Just run it?
No, man. You just put like how you put them 2 something near the ground. And you just line up your hand and just start chip your board. You just start use the start cut your board. But statics tonight doing no, because you know. You have to use, you have to cut the chain, the depth gauge from the chain peak and cut the board.
Oh.
Same like when I got hardware and cut and buy your 2 before. Same style me again.
Oh, but...
Brilliant, man.
Yeah, man, you go on good,
Brilliant,
man.
brother.
Yeah.
That's it up. Yeah, man.
Go on good.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Below it on the YouTube, man.
Yeah,
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Your own channel?
Yeah, I'm with you now. Me have my next channel right now with the TV show, you know.
Yeah, which channel them name?
Me channel name Nathan KNR YouTube channel. So you go on here to Wally Patting.
Nathan what?
Nathan KNR.
Oh, Nathan KNR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for you go on that
Yeah.
YouTube, you see everything what I want from it.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
I got pre talk, man.
So as soon as some woman come, ready to take more from you, but me not ready
Yeah. I go and do some work first.
Yeah.
Yeah, magic, free.
Yeah.
Yeah. So them big leaf there, what kind of leaf them there? Pimento leaf in it?
Yeah.
And the next one there? On time?
French time.
French time?
Yeah.
Mad. You chef that piece. Bad chef. I'll curry pork him and have up that stuff.
Yeah, man.
Rika, you know want some of the food there. Silka, you know want some of the food. Yeah. Okay. Curry look good still, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh, but... Oh. Curry well pretty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And jerk pork I got this a little from this, you know. Yeah, man, just I get the grill warm, you know.
We in a Portland, Jamaica. Up in the hills among Pleasant. Hear me no pantai. When a Portland, Jamaica. When a Portland, when a Portland. Back to school treat for the kids, lots of bags and book. Pot the bubble pan the fire, the bad chef them a cook. Oven at the crew, always appear them do. No have to say party cause the whole place know say a true. Portland, Jamaica. Up in the hills among pleasant. Hear me no pantai. When I Portland, Jamaica. When I Portland, when I Portland. Back to school treat for the kids, lots of bags and book. Pat the bubble pan the fire, the bad chef them a cook. Oven and the crew, always appear them do. No have to say party cause the whole place no say a true. We in a Portland, we in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, oh, in a big land, Jamaica. We in a Portland, oh, in a big land, Jamaica. Back to school treat for the kids, lots of bags and book. Hot a bubble pan the fire, the bad chef them a cook. Oven and the crew, always appear them do. No have to say party cause the whole place no say a true. We in a Portland, we in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, there in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, there in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, there in a Portland, Jamaica. We in a Portland, there in a Portland, Jamaica.
Yo, me love the vibes, yeah. 1 month pleasant, 1 pantan, open, doggy, ratty, U-turn, bad chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki. Hear me no bingy, Nai, touch, tell them don't rush. The whole team annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals and Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals and Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Yo, me love the vibes, yeah. 1 month pleasant, 1 pantan, oven, Yagi, Ratty, U-turn, bad chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki, give me no bingy, Nine, touch, tell them don't rush. The whole team. Yo, we love the vibes, yeah. 1 month pleasant, 1 pantan, oven, Dagi, Ratty, U-turn, bad chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki, Uncle Roy, hear me no bingy, nah, touch, tell them don't rush. The whole team outside. The whole team outside. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. It's a yearly something. Charity settings, do it for the love so we get to be blessings. Whenever we fly in open and the team make sure the place nice, nobody stressing. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, Mount Pleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Me love the vibes, yeah. One Mount Pleasant, one Panton, Ofen, Doggy, Ratty, Uton, Hot Chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki, Uncle Roy. Hear me no biggie. Night, touch. Tell them don't rush. Hey, the whole team from the yard and abroad outside. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm on Pleasant I do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm on Pleasant I do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. It's a yearly something charity settings. Do it for the love so we get the blessings. Whenever we fly in, no offend on the team. Make sure the place nice, nobody stressing. It's always a joy to make the kids smile. Bags and books for every little child. You reap what you sow, so we plant blessings in the style. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm on Pleasant I do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm on Pleasant I do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it.
We in a Portland,
Jamaica,
up in the hills among Pleasant. Hear me no pantai.
when I Portland, Jamaica, when I Portland.
Back to school treat for the kids, lots of bags and book. Pot the bubble pan the fire, the bad chef them a cook. Oven and the crew, always appear them do. No have to say party cause the whole place no say a true. We in a Portland, we in a Portland,
Jamaica,
we in a Portland,
Jamaica,
we in a Portland, oh, in a Portland,
Jamaica,
we in a Portland, oh, in a Portland,
Jamaica,
here with the number. All right, we find 988. No call no more. I mean, announce number. You don't tell me, I mean, announce. I mean, I speaker. All right.
I know, one speaker.
Yeah, no. No. Yeah, you're the sound.
Shake again.
157. 157. 157. 157. What? There is? Uri. No call no more. You have to say bingo. Anytime you call your number, if you don't say bingo, no come up here. We not play bingo. We are play collect your prize. You want to spell all of that? Say bingo.
See winner there.
What?
Just now we don't know what's going
You never find a play. Hold this and listen to your number. No, I'm not for that one. Yes. I chatty this year. So all who wonder who the ugly boy there make so much noise? Yes. Chatty. Yeah. Can't wish next number. You no buy no ticket? No way. Yeah, come in never didn't see me. Alright, second long, for next number, second long. 985. 985. 985. 985.
Next number.
Yeah, 3 times. Rapid. Second long. No. Second long. Second long. Some people are drinking rum. Second long. Some people are drinking rum. Second long. No, see 985 I come there. See there? 985. Second long. We are drinking rum. We are drinking Pepsi. We have some we are drinking when a good very pressure, so we are now see the rail. No fun we not come on now with the glasses like myself. No, make up empty, I mean I'm not the drinks. I want to do.
Shake up.
Flippy.
Hold the box.
Yeah.
099.
099. 099. 099. Me a bone. 099. Me a bone. Me a sweat. What? You know? 099 Kale?
No.
0. What is this? How me fix that? No, I little rum in my cup empty. Promoter, no, I little rum in my cup. The cup empty.
So it's turn you wrong. If you turn it so
943. You sure I that you see? Man, we are doing it. 943. 943. Am I number that you? Leandro, you know, look for your number. 943. You go like me, I know we need. 943. Going once. 943. Going twice. 943. Treat your host. Next number. 116. Let her walk on. 116. 116.
Yes.
Ah, okay, for now 116 in a one seat.
Thank you.
Lord, I don't like this. You say you don't like this. Oh.
Big money bingo now, bigger.
I go to the
Yeah, big money bingo. Big money bingo.
Big money bingo. Will you see? Like us. Big money bingo time. I want the big money bingo ticket.
960.
960. 9 Watch out. Then how much ticket you want get? How much are you? 960. Watch out. Hey, no. Let me ask you something. Let me ask you one question. No. I ask you one question. We have, if you never come here to play, go on the yard. 140. You want to go play?
Nothing cheap.
We want to go play big money, big go. US and give over yard. Quick. Done with this. Quick and fast. US over yard and give it. Done with this. Next number. Who no come? What? 15. Right yourself. Next number. 150. Right yourself. 150. Give me now. Next where's the 150? I mean, that's the I want more prize left. Alright, 2 more prize left. What's your shake here now? Wait, no? Oh, you don't get no need on my own now, though. Come now. Leandro, look for your ticket. Hey, look for your ticket. 147. That means I'm in lead. What? Let me see that. No, I 147 that. No man.
What's your name?
Something run here.
One more left. Last one. Make a big share. Big share.
Leandro, I want to buy you. Leandro, what is for your ticket?
I want to get the blender.
144? Come in. Okay, what the fuck you think? Come now.
I don't want to lucky pick, you know. They want to 010.
Oh, God Almighty. No. We can't get juice from my yard. US over so.
Yo, me love the vibes, yeah. 1 month pleasant, 1 panton, ofen, doggy, ratty, U-turn, back chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki, Uncle Roy. Hear me no bingy, Nye, touch, tell them don't rush. Hey, the whole team from the yard and abroad outside. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. It's a yearly something charity settings. Do it for the love so we get the blessings. Whenever we fly in, no offend on the team. Make sure the place nice, nobody stressing. It's always a joy to make the kids smile. Bags and books for every little child. You reap what you sow, so we plant blessings in the soil. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the deals, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Me love the vibes, yeah. 1 month pleasant, 1 panton, ofen, doggy, ratty, U-turn, back chef, Mika, Charlene, Kiki, Uncle Roy. Hear me no bingy, Nye, touch, tell them don't rush. Hey, the whole team from the yard and abroad outside. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the hills, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the hills, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place it. It's a yearly something charity settings. Do it for the love so we get the blessings. Whenever we fly in, no offend on the team. Make sure the place nice, nobody stressing. It's always a joy to make the kids smile. Bags and books for every little child. You reap what you sow, so we plant blessings in the soil. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the hills, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat. Annual cookout on Kid Street. Up in the hills, I'm unpleasant to do it. Big up the chef them cause the food sweet. Often you do it again and the whole place eat.